Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm gonna show you the fuse box locations on Mercedes ML350, and this is your man Jeff Cowboy. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and stay tuned. Today I'm gonna show you all the fuse box location on this Mercedes ML350, and the first fuse box location is gonna be right here under the engine hood. So we're gonna pop up the engine. And inside here on the passenger side, you're gonna find this box right here. Just gonna pop it open. And there we go. This is the first fuse box. And it comes with the fuses and the relays. Now let's check the back of the cover for more details. Not much details, just this diagram here. All right, now to put this cover back in here, just like that. And that is the first fuse box location in here. I don't see any other fuse box, so let's move to the next one. In case you want to jump start your battery when you're on this particular vehicle, we have a positive right here. I'm gonna pop that open to open it, and then we have the negative terminal right there. But the battery is not inside the engine. I'm gonna show you where it's located. Now the next fuse box is going to be inside the vehicle, right here on the passenger side. Once you open the door, you're gonna go right here on the side, and we're gonna pop this panel open. Once you open, you're gonna find the next fuse set right there. You got a couple of fuses right there. And this is the second fuse panel. So now there is no any diagram or fuse information on the back of the cover. So now to put this cover back in place, make sure you hook it up those tabs like there, and push it, and it's going to lock in place. Now there is the third fuse box location, which has a lot of fuses. And so far, if you're liking this video, hit that subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, and let me know what you think. Now, same on the passenger, right behind that door, there is another fuse box location right here. But before I show you, let me show you where the battery is located. So below this panel, this mat, lift it up, you realize there is this cover right here. If you lift it up like that, this is the battery right here. All right, and now you just put that cover back right there. Put the mat back. Now the third and the last fuse box is located right here. You see this tab, this tag right here. You just lift it up, and over this seat, you find this look like a panel cover. You just lift it up, find another fuse box location right here. And here we go. We got a couple of fuses here and some relays. And there is not any information on the back of that cover. But if you look closely, there is this piece of booklet right there. Let's find out what is in it. And here we go. It got all the location for the fuses. I already showed you this one. We saw it shows B and B and then C. So the one in here, I think is a C. This one right here. And this paper has the fuse diagram. So unlike all the other vehicles where the fuse diagram is located on the back of the cover, this one they have a diagram. So the first fuse set is right there, and the little ones right here, and this is the third one right there. Now when you look through here, you just see the numbers, right? So if you flip this cover, the back of this paper, those numbers are interpreted like here. All the fuses, the amperage, and the purpose. It's a long list. I mean, those are a lot of fuses. So once you're done, you're gonna fold it nicely and put it back. And those are the 3 fuse box location on this Mercedes ML350. If you like that video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and see you on the next one. My name is Jeff Cowboy.